talking about the newly redesigned women's Avalon Jacket. This is the sibling to our Induction and Induction Pro jackets on the men's side, and we redesigned it for 2021, so we're going to take a look at some of the details here and what we changed. The overall concept is still the same. It's a super burly, super durable, hot weather mesh jacket for touring, street riding, whatever you want to do when you want to have the most amount of airflow possible in the hottest conditions. The biggest thing here is the redesign on the new Karbonite Mesh all over the front of the body and in the sleeves. So you know this name, the Karbonite Mesh, from before. Super burly, super durable mesh fabric that flows a ton of air. What we've done now is we've kept that same amount of durability and strength and tear and tensile, but now we have a more comfortable, flexible feel to it. So it feels better, it's more comfortable, a little bit more flexible, just a comfort upgrade overall. So let's get into the details here. We've got some abrasion resistant overlays here on the shoulders and the elbows for those key slide areas. Underneath those we have D30 CE level 1 armor in the elbows and the shoulders and the back pad. Then more about the fabrics here, we have this 1000 denier carbonite micro mesh stretch material here in the upper arms here and in the sides of the body and in the back of the shoulders for more flexibility. Okay, and then we also have, in terms of comfort, these adjustment features here with the forearm strap and the adjustable sides. And the other thing that we have with comfort is the new low profile collar. Before we used to have kind of a taller collar. In this hot weather conditions, we don't really need such a tall collar to protect from the wind, so we've tapered that collar in to give you a more comfortable feel. Last thing we have here in terms of features are the pockets. We have two lower zip hand pockets and another pocket on the inside of the lower part of the jacket there to store your snacks, store your keys, your phone, whatever. And the one other thing I forgot to mention in terms of comfort are the side gussets here that are zippered. So if you want, you can unzip those and adjust for a larger shape or a smaller shape, whatever you want to do. And that about covers all the features on the new women's Avalon Jacket. If you guys have any questions, hit us up in the comments. Find us on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. That's Climb Motorcycle. Thanks for watching.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.